Very good morning, cadets. Hope you are all doing well. We have completed 5 chapters in Social and Political Life, Part 2, or in other words, Civics. Now let us move to chapter number 6. Very interesting chapter. This chapter deals about mass media. Media is a form of communication which gives information to the people in various levels or forms. Today, of course, we are totally dependent on media because even my YouTube classes are available to you in social media. So, the impact of media on our life is so heavy. So let us move and understand what is explained in the chapter number 4, that is understanding media. Okay. So you can see here a collage or the various photo clips picked in a single frame. Okay. You may be able to understand this hologram or bar diagram, scangram. When today it's very popular because if you have wallet like PhonePe or Google Pay, then you can scan the barcode and complete your payment procedure. Let us move deep into the chapter. Understanding media. What's your favorite TV program? I feel it's very difficult to answer because today TV is very important part of our life. So what is your favorite TV program? What do you like listening on the radio? So I doubt that are you listening to radio or not. Which newspaper or magazine you usually read? So newspaper, magazine you usually read. Do you surf internet and have found most useful about it? Did you know that there is a one word that is often collectively referred to radio, TV, newspaper, internet and several other forms of communication? This word is media. So please write down this. So what is media? Media is nothing but inclusion of all these, that is radio, TV, newspaper, internet, magazines, newspaper, all are included in media. In this chapter you will read more about media. You will find out what is required to make it work as well as the ways in which media affects our daily life. Can you think of one thing that you have learnt from the media this week? For example, if you surf down or Google down any something new, then can you recollect what you learnt new in the last week? So what is media? Media is nothing but collection of information or a mode of communication. This is called media. What are the modes of communication? TV, radio, newspaper, internet, news, magazines are all considered as part of communication. Everything ranging from the stall at the local fair and the program that you see on TV can be called as media. Write down this. So definition of media. What is anything? Take for example, when you visit a trade fair, you can see book stall, or when you back to your home, then watching a TV program, all are considered as media. Media is a plural word of word medium, and it describes the various ways through which we communicate in the society. So we communicate in society in a various modes or means, because media refers to all the means of communication. So what is a means of communication? Media is a means of communication. For example, Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji want to address the country. How can he address the country? 130 crores population through phone call or visiting home? Humanly impossible. That is how he refers then. Then he addressed the country with the help of media, that is TV channels, okay, radio, Man Ki Baat. You can see every Sunday Man Ki Baat, where Prime Minister speaks to the citizens of this country. But what is the mode he used in that? That is radio. Why radio is used? Because radio is a very common tool which can be seen across the country. Everything ranging from a phone call and the evening news on TV cable can be called as media. Radio, TV and newspaper are forms of media that reaches millions of people. So reach or impact of the people, the impact is more from radio and TV, because newspaper, magazines, the reach is less, but compared to that TV and radio, far reaching impact is more for masses across the country and world. Thus they are called as mass media. So why they are called as mass media? Because it reaches to the mass. Mass means general public. So please write down all those points which are underlined. So since it reaches to general public, that's why it is called as mass media. So once again, what is mass media? Mass media is a mode of communication which reaches to the mass or general public. That is called mass media. Let us move to the next slide. Media and technology. Today media, we use technology, isn't it? Technology. What is technology? Technology is nothing but satellites help us to communicate or emit radio signals. It would preferably difficult for you imagine your life without media. Today it is not possible, because without phone I don't think we can survive today. So without phone or TV, not possible. But cable television and the widespread use of internet is a recent phenomenon. These have been around us for less than 20 years. The technology that mass media uses keep changing. So don't think that the TV, 4G signals, it was there from 100 years. It is not like that. From last 20-25 years we can see the technological revolution in India. Newspapers, televisions and radio can reach millions of people because they use certain technologies. We also tend to discuss newspaper and magazine as print media. Please underline, please write down this. There is something which is called print media. What is print media? Newspaper and magazine is called as print media because it is reaching to the people in the form of print, because hard copy you are getting so that you can read that. And the TV and radio is considered as electronic media. Why it is called as electronic media? Because TV and radio, you are catching the signals through the antennas, and antennas, through the antenna signal, and after that you are watching the program. Whereas newspaper and magazines considered as print media. So there are two types of media. What are the two types of media? Please write down. One is print media, second is electronic media. Please write down. One is print media, second is electronic media. Example for print media: magazines, newspapers, okay, Even brochures, or when you visit hotels and all, you can see even pamphlets and all those are distributed. What are the electronic medias? Example, TV and radio. Why do you think newspapers are called as print media? As you read further, you will find that this naming is related to different technology that these medias use. The following photographs will give you the sense of the ways in technology that mass media uses has changed over the years and continue to change. We have studied in the history about the Chola dynasty, isn't it? Before that, we studied about sources to study history. So, when we studied the sources to study history, we referred about inscriptions. Okay. What are the sources which we get? Sources which may be written on the palm leaves, or on the stones, or on the metal plates. So, that means those days there was no printing press. Okay. So there was no printing press, there was no DTP, there was no computer. So these are all the technology which evolved or invented few hundred years back. You can see here Gutenberg. It is a printing machine. You can see this is a printing machine, huge printing machine. An artist's impression of Gutenberg printing the first sheet of Bible, the Holy Book of Christians. The Holy Book of Christians is printed in the press. So you can see the huge machines here. Today printing is a very simple, because if you have laptop, desktop in your home, you type something and take a printout. A very small compact machines are available, but when the technology was introduced, it was not that seen. Changing technology or machines and making technology are more modern helps media to reach more people. It also improves the quality of sound and the image that you see. But technology does more than this. It also changes the way in which we think about our lives. For example, today it's quite difficult for us to think our life without television. Television has enabled us to think ourselves as a member of larger global world. This is a very important point, because take for example when this coronavirus, the outbreak of coronavirus, it is started in Wuhan. So we all got knowledge or information about this because of the television. America was suffering in the initial days because of the spread of coronavirus. Prime Minister Modi announced lockdown in India. So all those things we understood, that each and every happenings in the world. So today we are global citizens. Why global citizens? That means in and around what happens in and around of the world or globe, we are easily get information with the help of technology or mass media. That's why television is enables us think us as a members of larger global world, because they can travel easily through a distance of satellites and cables. They are very important, you know very well. Satellites and cables. Satellites and cables are the major instruments which help us to get the digital signals. This allows us to view news and entertainment channels from other parts of the world. Most of the cartoons that you see on the television are mostly from Japan or from United States. So technologically advanced countries, Japan and America, United States of America. Now we can now be sitting in Chennai or Jammu and see image of storm that has hit the coast of Florida in United States. Television brought us the world closer to us. That means, what do you mean by world closer to us? Physically, we are not closer, but we are closer because we are getting the information of entire world. So that is the important thing we have to understand. So satellites and cables are very very important to emit or to in the instruments used in the digital technology. Okay, an activity. Ask older members of your family about what they used to listen to on the radio when there was no TV around. Find out from them when was the first TV came to your area and when was the TV introduced, the cable TV introduced. How many people in your neighborhood use the internet? List three things that you know about some other part of the world watching television. So very important activities, interesting activity rather. Maybe ask your father, mother or grandfather or grandmother that when they got an access to radio or the TV, definitely they open the Pandora box or very very interesting story. They will tell that how the TV was purchased by the neighbor or by them. So talk to them. You will get lot of information about the introduction of this wonderful technological revolution, that is TV or radio. If you are living in a village area, please do the activity that how many are using internet in your neighborhood. Of course today because of coronavirus, because online classes are through internet, maybe initially using in the month of June, July and all, maybe your own parents are suffered or maybe you are also suffered or you have faced the problem that not getting good signals, because of that you are unable to watch videos, classes. Even now also if you are facing a lot of problem in sending answer sheets and all those things. So today internet is a very very essential part of our life. So please complete the three activities. How many of you physically seen this? Okay, this is typewriter machine, the electronic typewriter machine of 1940s. It was considered as greatest invention, but today it is outdated because of the computer. Okay. Now let us move to the next important topic, that is media and money. Whenever IPL auction is done, definitely you may be able to get the information that Virat Kohli is paid 6 crores, Dhoni is paid 4 crores and all those things. Whenever we are watching our favorite program in TV, we are often disturbed with the advertisements. Don't think advertisement comes free in the TV channels. They pay huge amount of money to the channels. So let us move into the topic how much the money is involved in the media. Different technologies that mass media use are very expensive. Just think about the TV studio in which news reader sits, and it has lights, camera, sound recorder, transmission satellites, etc. All cost a lot of money. Now, owning a TV channel is not an easy job. Why? Because lot of things are involved. Take for example, a gentleman or lady reads news reader. But don't think that just come and sit in the news reader, we will get the news. It's not like that. News reading is done in a studio, that is called recording studio. Soundproof recording studio should be there. There should be enough lights. There should be camera around. There should be recording machines. transmission satellites, etc. So all these cost a lot of money. So to start a TV channel, a person has to invest a lot of money. In a news studio, it is not only news reader who needs to be paid, but also number of other people who help put the record broadcast together. What is called broadcast is nothing but whatever recorded sent to the satellite so that people can watch. This includes those who look after cameras and lights. Also, you read earlier the technology that mass media use keep changing, and so lots of money is spent on getting latest technology. Now you see 30 years 20 rather 15 years back there were no 4G signals. We had only Nokia simple mobile in which we can call the great difficulty we can send a message. But today you see we have Android mobiles. Android mobiles. What is the use of Android mobiles? You can surf internet, browse internet with a high speed internet. That is the change of technology in the mobile. Due to this, now don't think that when a technology changes, the cost also increases. That's why today Apple company mobiles cost nearly more than 1 lakh good high configuration mobiles. So due to these costs, the mass media needs a great deal of money to do its work. As a result, most television channels and newspaper are the part of big business house. Just write out and understand this. So TV channel and the newspaper is not a common man's cup of tea. It is a big business house. Mass media constantly thinking of ways to make money. On the way in which the mass media earns money is by advertising different things like cars, chocolates, clothes, mobile phones, etc. You must have noticed the number of advertisements that you have seen while watching your favorite television show. While watching a cricket match on the TV, the same advertisements are shown repeatedly between each over, and so you are often watching the same image over and over again. As you will read in the following chapter, advertisements are repeated in the hope that you will go and buy what is advertised. Now, mass medias play an important role in our mind. Take for example, today we purchase Amul cheese or butter. We don't know exactly, most of us may not be visited Amul factory, but why we purchase Amul butter and cheese? Because often we see a lot of advertisement about this particular product. Cadbury's chocolates means Cadbury's. Why? Because very colorful advertisements are generally shown in the TVs. Kinder Joy. So what is there in the Kinder Joy? How much chemical involved? We don't bother because the advertisement of Kinder Joy is so much interesting. So a lot of things are like that that definitely attract the people. Once it is started attracting people, naturally the consumerism means people purchase those products from the market. As a result, they start making business. Observe this image. This is an image of news channel office. Okay, you can see many are involved in lot of work there. News channel is actually involved in lot of work like editing, recording, broadcasting. You can see here few TVs are displayed here. You can see news, other programs are there. So all those things are done by the news channel. Okay, so what we studied till now, we studied about meaning of media. We have two types of media. One is print media, second one is electronic media. Examples for print media, examples for electronic media. Okay, take care. I will continue in the next class. Thank you.